Hello, everyone. This is Lita Carbone from Online Learning Services. Today, I'm going to do a quick video on how to change your course dates from term to course. So let's make our way over to Canvas. So to change the course dates for my Canvas course, I would scroll down to Settings. And under the course details page, I would scroll down to Participation. And you'll see that there's a drop-down menu where we have term selected, but I'm going to change this to course. So now I can have my course open sooner for students, or I can have it close later in the semester. So here I would add the course dates. And let's say that this course runs throughout the summer. Okay. And I'm going to select these options so that way students don't have access to the course before or after the course has started or ended. So now I'm going to scroll down and click Update Course Details. If you don't select this button at the bottom of the page, it will not save. Okay, so I have this window that's saying that it was successfully updated. I can also scroll down and see that the participation is now changed to course. And if I change my mind and I want to keep it at term, I could go back to this page and select term as the option. This was a brief video on how to change your course settings in Canvas. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to onlinelearning@strohs.edu and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.